Welcome back to Xfinity Coins. Today I have another bill search for you. I picked up $500 in ones, and we are going to be hoping for better luck this time because we didn't get much last time around. Hoping for some star notes, fancy serial numbers, anything old if we're lucky, like really lucky, any errors. And we'll just see what we find. We'll go along and I'll bring you in when we find anything. So, without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, this isn't anything that I want to keep, but I just wanted to show you something that you could be looking for. Over here we have an offset 5. It's barely noticeable, but it's just something to look for. Sometimes they can be so dramatic that they'll be pushed up like all the way up here, and that sometimes half of it will be cut off. Something you definitely want to look for. And over here there's a little bit of over inking, but I'm not going to keep it because of that. If it was dramatically over inked, I would keep it. Just some things that you want to be on the lookout for because there's something valuable that you can add to your collection. Alright guys, we have our first pre-2000s bill. This is 1995, and I do collect these. I think they're kind of cool when they get before 2000s because bills are very hard to find below the 2000s because there's so many printed in the recents, like 2017, 13, and 2009 stuff. So anything below the 2000s I keep. I don't know what you guys do, but I definitely keep those. So that is technically our second find, but if that is nothing, then it's going to be our first find. So let's keep going. We have our first star note, kind of a cool serial number, 04074499. Nothing crazy, but those of you who don't know what a star note is, when this was being printed, the other bill with the same serial number got destroyed, so they reprinted it but put a star on the end to signify that this was a remake of the one that got destroyed. And depending on the print run, these can be very, very valuable. Some like sell for even hundreds of dollars. So I don't think this is one of them, but I'm definitely going to keep it. Make sure there's no errors or anything. Yep, all looks good except for the star. So if you find one of those, definitely keep it. Let's keep going. Alright guys, we're on the third stack, and I was flipping through them really quick, just like this, to make sure everything was there, or just to make sure there was nothing like super old, like a silver certificate. And I saw a star, so I know there's one in there, but I don't know where it is, so we're just gonna have to go through and find it. Alright guys, nothing too crazy, but I don't see these very often. An A series and 2003. And kind of an interesting serial number, 55170317. No errors on the back, not a web note or anything. I don't even know if they made web notes in this year, but something kind of cool. I'll set it off to the side for now. I have to make some more room to keep those over there. All right, let's keep going. All right, guys, we have a birthday note here. 1986, 6/24. So that's June 24th, 1986. So somebody who was born on June 4th, 1986 would pay more than face value for this because it's special to them. So I will keep that to the side. And we have another 2003 A series. I usually keep those. I'm probably not going to keep the ones that are super trashed. I'm just setting them off to the side for now. After the hunt, I will see if I'm going to keep them. So wait. Where's the other? Oh, here it is. All right. So let's keep going. All right, guys. We found the star note, and it is L142566609. Unfortunately, it does have some writing on it. Not great, and it is in pretty rough condition. But it is a star note, so I will be keeping it. And at the end of the video, I'll be checking the print run and rarities. So let's keep going. All right, guys, pretty excited. This is probably the coolest find so far. This is a 444, and then a 50. So this is a trinary because it has 3 separate numbers, and it's also a repeater and a solid because it has 6 4s all together. If this 0 had been a 5, that would have been cool. Or if the 5 had been a 0, that would have been really cool. Or if those 2 had also been 4s, that would have been even cooler, and this thing could go for some really big money. But that is a very cool bill, and I'm glad to have it, and I'm definitely going to keep it. And it's not in the best condition. There's some folding and crinkling, but it's a 2017. But overall, very cool find. So I will set that aside. Running out of room, and we will keep going. All right, guys, we have another 2003A, pretty rough shape. Probably not going to keep it, but I will set it aside for the video's sake. Pretty cool. Let's keep going. Another pretty cool serial number. It's a series 2013, and it has 4 threes all together. I keep anything basically 4 numbers together and above. This would be like the bare minimum, and it's not really the best because it has 5 total digits in it, but kind of cool. I keep those. Definitely not as cool as the 6 fours together, but still collectible, and I will probably keep it. Let's keep going. Guys, we have another birthday note, August 18th, 1985. 18 is the days in the month, 8 is the month, and that's the year 1985. Pretty good condition, 2013. Well, I mean, it's not amazing condition, but still pretty crisp and not too many folds. So we'll set that one aside, and we will keep going. All right, guys, another cool find. We have a pretty cool serial number, 222411113. These are 2 sets of 3, which is pretty uncommon, and it's a ladder. It's broken, but it's still 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a ladder is when it goes up, and I will hold on to this for now. It's pretty rough shape, so I don't know if I'm going to ultimately keep it, but I will set it aside for this hunt. So let's another older bill, series 1999. As you know, I keep everything post 2000s. Pretty rough shape and not a great serial number. But I'll put it over here with the cool dates. Okay, let's keep going. All right, guys, probably going to be the last find of the hunt since there's only a few bills left, and we have another birthday note. This could be April 5th, 1961, or May 4th, 1961. It really depends on how you look at it. Somebody with either one of the birthdays could say they want it. And it's kind of cool because this is a 2003 A series, so that makes it a little bit more collectible too, that it's older and has a letter under it. So I will pull that aside for the birthday notes. And there's just a few more bills here, and I will wrap it up. Alrighty, guys, we are done. I ended up throwing back some of the things that weren't that cool, but I have some here, the stuff that I am going to keep. We'll start up here. These are the 3 birthday notes that I found. 1961, 1985, 1986. You could probably sell those for like $3 to $5, depending on what the person is willing to pay for them. And down here, we have some cool serial numbers. This is a 222411113. It's a ladder and some sets. Probably the find of the hunt was these 6 fours all together. That's pretty cool. It's in fairly good condition. It's pretty rough. There's some creases and everything, but considering some of the conditions I find other bills in, I'm pretty happy with it. And down here we have some star notes, and that is what we're going to be doing right now. Looking up the print run and rarity of these. So this is mycurrencycollection.com star note lookup, and you take your serial number. So in this case, this is a $1 bill, series 2013, and you put in the serial number. So mine is B. Wait, you should probably capitalize the B. 0 4 0 7 4 4 9 9, and then the little star. I think you want to put that in. Look up your star notes. Okay, mine is on, this one is on the less rare side. I have one that's somewhere in the middle here, so that's pretty cool. If it was Mine is that one, I think, and 30, like 3 million notes. Print run is 22.6 million. Yikes. If it was that one right there, then it would be rarer. All right, time for the next one. Next one's also a 2013, but it is an L 1 4 2 5 6 6 0 9, and then the star. Look up. Another one of the less rare. So 12.8 million minted, 3.2 million run size. Oh wow, if it was that red one right there, it would have been super rare. But it is not. So these two are some of the less valuable star notes, but I think I'll still keep them. So overall, I'm pretty happy with the hunt. Really happy with that bill. Very cool. Glad I got some star notes. Last time I didn't have so much luck. And I'm probably going to be posting more bill searches for a little while, because right now it's hard to get coins from the banks and everything's getting hard to go to. But once that opens up, I will be able to do that more. But for right now, I think I'm going to be doing quite a few bill searches. So sorry if you don't really like that kind of thing, but it's just what I have to work with. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.